There's a white powder that costs less than $1, and it can completely destroy foggy yellow headlights, restoring them to crystal clear condition in under 10 minutes. No sanding, no expensive kits, no visit to a body shop. Just powder, water, and a cloth. Value build. Detailing shops charge between $150 to $300 for the exact same result. Auto stores sell kits for $30 to $60 that turn cloudy again within months. But this powder, it's been used for over 100 years in precision optics, telescope lenses, surgical tools, satellite mirrors. It works at the molecular level and costs less than a cup of coffee. So why haven't you heard about it? Big auto angle, improved punch. Because a $1 permanent fix is a direct threat to a multi-billion-dollar industry. The auto aftermarket in the US alone generates over $480 billion every year. A solution that eliminates repeat customers cannot survive in that system. They didn't hide it because it failed. They hid it because it worked too well. Story kept same but smoother. This story starts in 1803. A Swedish chemist discovered a strange mineral. Years later, scientists isolated a pure white compound from it. They called it cerium oxide, a fine chalk-like powder with a property that shocked everyone. When mixed with water, it didn't scratch surfaces. It polished them, not by grinding, but by reacting at a chemical level. Authority build, kept but tightened. By the early 1900s, cerium oxide became the standard for polishing optical glass, used in telescopes, military optics, surgical instruments, and even NASA used it on the Hubble Space Telescope. The same compound that helped humans see the universe costs less than $1 per use. Problem setup. So why are your headlights foggy? Because modern headlights are not made of glass anymore. They are made of polycarbonate plastic. It's cheaper, it's lighter, but it has a weakness. Sunlight slowly destroys it. Science explanation. Cleaner. UV radiation causes oxidation. Tiny cracks form. The surface breaks down. Moisture enters. Dirt gets trapped. And your headlights turn yellow and cloudy. Studies show degraded headlights can lose up to 78% of light output. That's not just cosmetic. That's dangerous. Solution science. Here's where cerium oxide is different. It doesn't just polish the surface. It performs something called chemical mechanical polishing. It removes damaged material while repairing the surface structure. Not a temporary fix, but a structural restoration. Industry exposure. Stronger emotion. Now look at the business model. Body shops charge up to $300. Kits cost $60 and fail in months. Why? Because they rely on temporary coatings. They are designed to bring you back again. But cerium oxide, it breaks that cycle completely. No repeat business, no subscription, no profit loop. Cost breakdown. A 50-gram bag costs around $1 to $3. Enough for multiple uses. That means less than $1 per repair, compared to hundreds at a shop. Step by step, here's exactly what to do. Clean the headlight with soap and water. Dry it completely. Tape the edges to protect paint. Mix cerium oxide with water. Apply using a cloth or pad. Rub in circular motion for 3 to 5 minutes. Wipe clean and inspect. Repeat if needed. Rinse and dry. Optional. Apply UV sealant. Result section. More emotional. In just minutes, your headlights go from cloudy to crystal clear, like new. Some users report results lasting years without reapplication. Final message. Strong close. This isn't just about headlights. It's about understanding how industries operate. Cheap, permanent solutions are rarely promoted because they remove the customer from the system. And once you see that, you start questioning everything.